Hi traders, Andrew Mitchem here from the FX Trading Coach. It is Friday the 2nd of August. Now, before we get into next week's sale, the 3-day sale that I'm giving, which starts next Monday, I wanted to give you an update, a live update here of the trade results from this week. So I'll run through those trades very shortly, but just to let you know that with the trades that we've taken this week and posted on the membership site. Now, this has got nothing to do with trades that we post on the forum site, trades that we take on the live webinar, which I did a 2-hour live webinar with my clients last week. This is purely trades posted on our membership site. This week, we have closed trades of plus 5.45% on closed trades. And that's by taking 1/4% risk per trade. So really, really low risk, high returns, 5.45% on closed trades. Adding to the open trades, again, I'll show those and share those with you shortly, which are 1.4%. We're up 6.85% if we close out all the trades right now. Add that to the 5.94% I made on the 3 weeks while I was over in England and France. That's 12.79% in the last 4 weeks. Trading 10 to 30 minutes a day. Pretty amazing. So let's have a look at the trades. Some of these you would have seen from the previous videos. But just quickly summarize that we had an Aussie yen trade here. This was back from before I went away, back on the 3rd of July. And that was taken on the weekly chart trade, taken back here. And you can see for a few weeks it didn't go anywhere. I left the trade in and then it completely changed around, reversed on us, got stopped out. That's the first one. And then you can see while we're on the Aussie yen, there's an Aussie yen here, which we suggested last week or this current week. And again, you can see that on our membership site here. The Aussie yen trade is, if I go to the right one, at the top of the page. Here we go. So this week we had 5 trades suggested on the weekly charts. The profit target's been hit on 4 out of the 5 market orders. The New Zealand, US, I'll share that with you shortly, but we've hit profit on those. 1.6 to 1 reward risk on the Aussie yen, the trade that I've got on screen, and 73 pips there. So you can see all those trades there. As mentioned earlier, we had our full profit target on the breakout strategy that we used. There was a trade on the monthlies that was stopped out yesterday. Another one still open on the monthlies, up 2.2 to 1. Yesterday, we've got no trades today, non-farm payrolls on Friday. Yesterday, we mentioned a trade on the Euro franc. You can see the trade written down here, the exact entry and exit levels on the daily. That made 40 pips and a 2.1 to 1. And then the previous day, and that was a great trade on the US Canadian dollar. And that ended up making in here full profit 2.5 to 1. So lots of trades there that we've taken. But let's cover some of these weekly chart trades. The Aussie yen is this one here. We had a profit target of 74.35 and it's clearly gone way through that. We had the Aussie franc weekly, the Aussie US weekly. You can see down here, Aussie US weekly there. We've got a 68.07 and you can see it's just got to that level. It's gone a tiny bit further, but there's our profit target being hit already on that. We've got the Aussie franc that I mentioned there, which is here. Profit target 68.11 and it's well and truly got that one. Euro Aussie in here. Profit target of 162.44 and 162.44 is in here. So it's well and truly got that one as well. And the monthly chart trades that I mentioned on the previous video, plus the one that I've just shown just now. This was a trade that was mentioned on the forum site that Paul took, but was not on the membership site. So they have been closed out this week. Let's go and find the daily charts, and I'll share those with you on screen as well. So here's the Euro franc that I mentioned from yesterday. So I'm just on a new screen here for recording. Let me just bring that one up for you. There we go. This was an excellent trade, really was a great trade. You can see that our profit target on the Euro franc was 109.69 and the price got to 109. If I have the low of that, 69. Got to exactly that level. Slight gap down here now today, but we are exactly at that level. Great trade there. And the US Canadian dollar trade, which is also was shown on the membership site. This was another nice trade in here. Just expand that slightly in here. That was a sell trade based on this candle here, with a profit target of 131.16, and that was down here. So we took the sell trade, we had our profit target hit, and then what happened afterwards is quite amazing, that the price went down a little bit further to the 131, and then we had the US interest rate announcement, which then pushed the US dollar, Canadian dollar, way back up. It didn't matter because we were out of the trade for full profit. So all up this week, daily chart trades have made us 1.75%. Our breakout strategy made 1.5%. Our weekly trades have made 1.6%. Our monthly chart trades that have closed have made us 0.6%. And our open trades, they are here. So we've got a US yen trade there, both positions, and you've seen these on previous videos. From June, we got the Aussie New Zealand going really nicely there as a sell trade. That's based on the monthly chart trade. So I'll just bring that one up for you on here. So that was taken up here at around the 104.96 level. That's currently up here around 118 pips profit target, as you can see on the charts there. And we also have that weekly chart trade on the franc yen going very, very nicely as well, which is here. It was taken on the weekly charts. That's from back in mid-July. And you can see that that trade got filled at 109.73. And it's been up around 145 pips. It's currently at about 119. Stop loss is up here at about 44 pips. So you can see a great looking trade. It's from where its low has been is only 15, 16 pips away from full profit. So as I mentioned, put all that together and we've closed at plus 5.45% for the week. We've got open trades here. These here are still open around 1.4%. The 5.94% that I took on the previous 3 weeks, which you can see all those videos on the site that I've given you. If you don't have that site, let me know, and I can send you that link to the previous 8 videos. Put all that together, 4 weeks of work there, 12.79% with very, very low risk, very low drawdown. If you'd like to trade like that, if you'd like to have our help, if you'd like to view these trades that we're doing and why we're doing it and where the entries, etc. are, 12.79% in a month. That's quite amazing for 10 to 20 minutes work once a day. If you'd like to join us, you know where to find us. You know also that Monday of next week, so starting on the 5th, Monday for 3 days, $597 gets you fully on the course, plus $79 a month ongoing if you'd like to continue with the daily trades, the live webinars, which are each week, and the forum site. Normally $2,500. So this is going to be exceptionally amazing entry price. If you've thought about wanting to trade Forex properly, this is your absolute top opportunity to jump on board with our help and to gain results like we are getting. So look forward to sharing more results with you soon, and look forward to seeing you on the course next week. And that means you can then get on to our next live webinar. So hopefully you've enjoyed what you've seen over the last 4 weeks. It's all been shown with you, to you up front. You can see them all the trades on our membership site. You see the trades on the accounts here. Great results, 12.79%, 4 weeks. Would you like to be part of it? The question is yes or no. And if you would, you know where to find us. If not, then happy trading. But if you'd like to be part of a huge community that's been running for nearly 11 years and thousands and thousands of traders worldwide, then we're here to help. Thanks again. This is Andrew Mitchem from the Forex Trading Coach. Bye for now.